Hello student, today we will learn some of the simple terminology used in the sociology. First one, social planning, a process for a planning planning social social service programs social service programs, services, and policies. Policies. Social planning. A person for a planning social service programs, service and policies. Second one. Population population explosion, a sudden increase in number of individual in a specific area at a given time. Population explosion, a sudden increase in the number of individuals in a specific area at a given time. यहाँ पे जो है नेक्स्ट unemployment unemployment is a term referring to individual who are employable and actively seeking a job but are unable to find a job. Unemployment. Next we'll come to fourth one, social organization, a state of being a condition in which in which the various institutions in a society are functioning in accordance with their recognized or impelled purpose. Social organization, a state of being, a condition in which the various institutions in a society are functioning in accordance with the recognized or impaired purpose. Next, we'll come to association. A group of person who share common interest or a common purpose and who are organized with the varying degrees of formality. Association, a group of person who shares a common interest or a common purpose who are organized with a varying degrees of formalities. Association means the goal should be same, who are working towards organization is an association. Like example, sports in a college, then all the student from first year to fourth, they are engaging in the sports and being understanding and being a common purpose, like having a common purpose in a sports, all are participating means it is an association of a student. Next, we'll come to fourth one. Values. A value is a belief that something is good and worthwhile. A value is a belief that something is good and worthwhile. Means we are valuing some person or time for a student period. Next, fifth one. Costumes. Costume. The totality of behavior, pattern, patterns which are carried by a tradition and lodged in a group. Costumes. The totality of behavioral patterns which are carried by traditions and lodged in a group. Costumes means every religion having its own costumes, and pattern of costume is different from different religions. Next we'll come to sixth one, Morse. These all terminology you will learn in sociology. For before going forward, first you have to learn the terminologies. Sixth one, Morse. The costume, norms, and behavior that are acceptable to a social group. Morse. The costume, norms, behavior that are acceptable to social group. These are the pattern of costumes wearing in a different community and being unity in a community and accepting the social group. Next, coming to seventh one, rituals. A set of actions performed mainly for their symbolic value. Rituals. Example, if X person dies, the family will do the rituals of that person and pray for the God. Like that, rituals means a set of actions performed mainly for their symbolic values to be dignified. So next, eighth one, habits, routine behavior which is based on repeated repeated exposure to some kind of environment. Like all are having habits of, some people have a habits of reading, and some people have a habits of riding a cycle, and some people have a habit of doing a yoga. Like that routine behavior which is based on the repeated exposure to some kind of environment. Some people like jogging, like that. Next we'll come to ninth one, social system. Social system, a network of relationship and systematic arrange arrangement of social interaction. Ninth one, social system, a network of relationship and systematic arrangement of social interaction. Social system means where the communities are togetherly performing and being together in a one particular area. Next we'll come to 10th one, organization. Arrangement of persons or part. Organization means arrangement of a person or a part, making person connect one to one together in a particular area for a particular purpose